I'm Steve Blake from Gibsons, Italia, here to show you how to make a non-alcoholic cocktail called a Grapefruit Ginger Fizz. You just need a couple of tools to do this. We need a measuring device to measure ounces. I'm going to use a jigger and then a stirring spoon. Grab a highball glass filled with ice, and then we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of grapefruit juice. A 3/4 ounce lemon juice, and then a 1/2 ounce of honey syrup, which is just honey and water. Then you just want to grab your favorite ginger beer, top this off, usually about 1 ounce or 2. Grab a nice big sprig of mint. I'm going to slap it to wake it up, get the aromas going. Tear off the excess stem. Top that off. And there you have a non-alcoholic cocktail called Grapefruit Ginger Fizz.